Welcome to Finance Made Easy. If you find this material useful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let's go over the summary of the top 10 price/volume stock data that closed on August 4, 2023. Tesla, SLA, closed at $253.86, down 2.11% with volume of 99.5 million shares. Amazon, closed at $139.57, up 8.27% with volume of 153 million shares. Apple, closed at $181.99, down 4.80% with volume of 116 million shares. NVIDIA, closed at $446.80, up 0.37% with volume of 36 million shares. AMD closed at $115.82, up 2.36% with volume of 83 million shares. Microsoft, MSFT, closed at $327.78, up 0.34% with volume of 24 million shares. Meta, closed at $310.73, down 0.79% with volume of 18 million shares. Johnson & Johnson, J&J, closed at $169.04, down 0.94% with volume of 23 million shares. Alphabet, Google, closed at $128.11, down 0.26% with volume of 26 million shares. Palo Alto Networks, PA&W, closed at $218.32, down 8.06% with volume of 15 million shares. Here is a summary of the key S&P 500 index data. The S&P 500 opened at 4,514.41 points on August 4, 2023. The day's trading range was between 4,474.55 and 4,540.34 points. The 52-week range for the index is 3,491.58 to 4,607.07 points. Over the past 5 days, the S&P 500 is down 2.27%. Over the past 1 month, the S&P 500 is up 1.80%. Over the past 3 months, the S&P 500 is up 8.26%. Year to date, the S&P 500 is up 16.63%. Over the past 1 year, the S&P 500 is up 8.03%. In summary, the S&P 500 opened lower today compared to recent days and is trading in a relatively narrow range. Over longer time frames, the index remains solidly up, though it has declined slightly over the past week. Here is a summary of the key data points for the 5-year US Treasury yield. The current yield is 4.139% as of 5:05 p.m. EDT. The yield decreased by 0.162% today. The 5-year Treasury is a closely watched benchmark for interest rates. Its yield impacts lending rates for consumers and businesses. The yield has risen over 1% in the last 12 months, indicating tightening financial conditions. However, it remains below the highs reached earlier this year. The Federal Reserve monitors the 5-year yield as an indicator of their policy impact. In summary, the 5-year Treasury yield edged lower today but remains at an elevated level compared to recent years. It reflects the Federal Reserve's interest rate hikes intended to tighten financial conditions. However, the yield remains off its highs as recession concerns persist. The 5-year yield is a key benchmark that impacts borrowing costs across the economy. Here is a summary of the key crypto market data. There are over 1.8 million cryptocurrencies and 653 exchanges. The total crypto market cap is $1.16 trillion, up 0.55% in the last 24 hours. 24-hour trading volume is $28.95 billion, up 1.08%. Bitcoin dominance is 48.8% of the overall market, Ethereum is 19.0%. Ethereum gas fees are currently 14 GY, indicating low network congestion. The Fear and Greed Index is 50 out of 100, signaling neutral sentiment in crypto markets. In summary, the crypto market remains large but has cooled from its peak with moderate trading activity. Bitcoin remains the dominant cryptocurrency while Ethereum maintains its number 2 position. Sentiment is balanced as measured by the Fear and Greed Index. Overall, the crypto market appears relatively stable, though still volatile compared to other asset classes. Here is a summary of key economic events on next week's calendar. On Monday, August 8th, there are no major economic releases scheduled. On Tuesday, August 9th, the NFIB Small Business Optimism Index for July will be released. This gauges sentiment among small business owners. On Wednesday, August 10th, the Consumer Price Index, CPI, for July will be released. This is a key gauge of inflation. Also on Wednesday, the monthly budget statement for July will be released by the US Treasury. On Thursday, August 11th, the Producer Price Index, P, for July will be released, measuring inflation pressures from the producer/wholesale side. Also on Thursday, weekly jobless claims data will be released, providing an update on the labor market. On Friday, August 12th, the University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Survey will be released, measuring consumer attitudes on the economy. Also on Friday, retail sales data for July will be released, an important read on consumer spending. Overall, the key focus will be on the critical inflation reports, CPI on Wednesday and P on Thursday, as investors look for signs of easing price pressures. The consumer data will also provide insight into the health of the economy. No Fed speakers scheduled. Focus will be on inflation and consumer data for economic insights. Here is a summary of some of the top companies reporting earnings next week. Monday, Tyson Foods, TSN Biotech, BNTX Tuesday. Roblox, RBLX Coinbase, Coin Wendy's, When. Wednesday, Walt Disney, Dis Toyota, TM eBay, eBay. Thursday, AMC Entertainment, AMC DoorDash, Dash Palantir Technologies, PLTR. Key themes to watch: consumer discretionary and travel/leisure results after summer season, streaming/digital entertainment with Disney and Roblox, crypto trading platforms with Coinbase earnings, meme stocks like AMC and Palantir, autos and transportation with Toyota and DoorDash. The reports will give insight into consumer demand, digital engagement, and economic reopening after the summer. Disney, Coinbase, Toyota and AMC will be highlights to watch. Thank you for watching. Subscribing will help us keep creating videos like this. Comment and like if you support this channel. And don't forget to subscribe to our free newsletter in the description below.